What's going on today, YouTube? In today's video, I'll be trying to show you guys how to clean the carbon off the top of your pistons.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
So originally I used the B12 chem tool to do this one. They all kind of look like this. This one's actually worse than these, but I want to see what the acetone and transmission fluid can really do. So that's what I'm going to try to do with these two. I'm going to work on this one first and see exactly how it comes out, and then we'll see what I'll do about that number 4. So this is in the midst of me doing my head gasket DIY, obviously. I forgot to get a measuring cup before I started this video, but you don't really need it, so we're gonna proceed without it. So I've got my acetone, cleans project residue, and I've got some transmission fluid. You're basically gonna pour about the same amount of each in your measuring cup, which is just the bottom half of a bottle, and then you're gonna rub it on there on the top of the piston. So what I'm gonna try to do, because I have a lot of carbon on there, I'm gonna try to scrape it off first. So without further ado, let's get to scraping. Okay, as you can see, there was a whole bunch of carbon built up on that cylinder. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go ahead and mix the acetone and the transmission fluid, and I'm gonna rub it on there, let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna actually scrub it a little bit with the brush, and then see how good I can get it cleaned up. Okay, so I've got my acetone and transmission fluid mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of it on the cylinder. This is not the actual brush that I will be using. I'll probably use a harder bristle brush because I want to get it really clean. I want to get it cleaner than I got the number 1 with the B12 and the transmission fluid. So let me just rub this on here. I'll probably let this sit for a little bit, go do something else with the cylinder head, and then we'll see what happens afterward. There just for good measure. Alright, let's let it sit and see what happens. Alright, this right here is one pass of the acetone and the transmission fluid. I gave it like a little tiny scrub, but not that much. And as you can see, it's already pretty cleaned up. So now I'm gonna go ahead, I think I might add a little more acetone to it. I think that does like most of the trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again and see how much more I can get off of it. Okay, so this is after the second set of cleaning. I may do another one. I like how this is coming out. It's definitely coming out a lot better than some of them. But I'm just leaving that one so you guys can see it before and after. Obviously, a lot better. You can actually see the divots in here. That's crazy. You couldn't even see it before. But yeah, I'm gonna do another one, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and start knocking this one out. Well, I would say we're all done here. They look a lot cleaner. I'm not gonna get too in depth into trying to clean them. Make sure if you're using the tool that I was using, not to scratch your cylinder walls. I was really careful with that. That's about it. They all look pretty decent. Gonna go ahead and rotate it back to top dead center. But yeah. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of this video. DIY of how to clean the top of your cylinder pistons. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. Hopefully this video helps someone. Catch you guys in the next video.